What is sound? Sound to me is everything. It is love. It is creation. You hear me speak a lot about sound and light because they work together in unison as one. You really can't have one without the other. But sound is a language in and of itself. It's a language that speaks to our multidimensionality. It speaks to the part of us here on this earth plane that may be unconscious to certain areas or aspects of the whole of our being. So sound is a powerful tool in our integration, in our transfiguration in this life. Sound is incredibly shamanic. It shows us that we're all shamans. Life and death is a process throughout this existence here on earth. And sound can help initiate these processes. It's all frequency, it's all vibration, everything. And where our minds may not be able to wrap around that, the divine intelligence of the frequency knows already. We call her different things like Shekinah, we call Kundalini, we call life force energy, we call it Holy Spirit, we call it all kinds of things, life force energy, chi. It's all one and the same, and it is our full existence. It is the intelligence itself, and it's greater and bigger than our minds could even possibly handle. But like I said, through sound, vibration, frequency, we're able to meet ourselves in different spaces and come into new awarenesses and new perceptions and new experiences. So, sound is powerful because it is everything. Truly. And so, with intention behind it, in any way, you can quantumly kind of bring about all kinds of experiences with sound and through sound. You don't need things on the external. You don't even need the instruments. All you really need is your voice. All you really need is your hands. We can snap, we can clap, we can stomp our feet, we can move our body. And in this way, it proves to be such an ecstatic experience. I mean, life in itself is just one ecstatic poem. Through words, expressions, but at the crux and at the quantum center, we find sound. And it's exciting. And it's deep. And there really are no words to express or to help someone understand. It's purely through experience and the dance of sound, music. Music at its quantum center is sound. So, it's just how we initiate it. We do it every day. So being mindful of how you're doing it can be a powerful, powerful tool in integration and in the experience. So that is it. Love is truly all that is. And at the core of that is vibration. And all vibration and all energy connects. And that is the oneness. It's natural law.